Hello everyone, this is Dr. Prashant and welcome back to Public Health series. In this video, I'll be briefly explaining the screening test along with a numerical example. So I took an example from previous year paper. I'll just go through it very briefly. Investigation X is carried out as a screening test in a population and the observations compared to confirmatory test Y are presented in the table. Calculate sensitivity, specificity, positive and negative predictive values of the screening test. So before that, we'll try to understand the concept of validity. Any screening test should provide a good preliminary indication of which individuals actually have the disease and which do not have the disease. So this is referred as validity of a test. So it has two components. One is sensitivity. It is defined as the ability of a test to identify correctly those who have the disease. Whereas specificity, that is the second component, is defined as the ability of a test to identify correctly those who do not have the disease. So in order to calculate sensitivity and specificity, we compare the results obtained by the screening test with those derived from some standard or the confirmatory tests. So this is how the standard screening table looks. You can see the screening test on the left side and on the top you can see the standard procedure. So always try to identify the screening test given in the question. So it was clearly mentioned investigation X is the screening test, whereas confirmatory test or the standard test in this question is Y. Now look at the table which they have given. So they have given the test Y on the left side and on the top they have given the test X. So which is opposite to that of the standard table. So there are two methods in which you can solve it. So first is converting everything as per the standard table, then apply the formulas and calculate the given questions. So basically in the given question they have given it in a reverse order. Okay, test Y, that is the standard test, is given on the left side and on the top you can see the test X, that is the screening test. So we need to convert this table as per the standard table. So on the left side we need to take the test X and on the top you need to take the test Y. So after that we need to change the values also, right? Because we have changed the table now. So first go to the table given in the question where you can see test Y, right? So go to the positive section of test Y and see horizontally 800, 200 and 1000. So you take that and paste it as vertical in the test Y section of the new table. So it will become 800, 200, 1000 vertically. And similarly go to the negative section of test Y and check horizontally, that is 1200, 7800 and 9000. So you copy that and paste it vertically in the second table, that is in the negative section of test Y, that is 1200, 7800 and 9000. So after that you can easily calculate the totals in the other columns. After this, start giving coding to the table and give it according to the standard screening table. Okay, that is A, B, C, D. So after giving coding, it is very easy to calculate whatever you want using the formulas directly. So that is for sensitivity, it is A by A plus C. For specificity, it is D by B plus D. For positive predictive value, it's A by A plus B. And for NPV, it is D by C plus D. So this is one way through which you can calculate the given questions. So the last method is for those who are like beginners to these type of questions, or if you are very comfortable with these concepts, you can directly start from the given table without changing the values in the table. So for that, first you need to understand the concept of the screening test. Okay, I have already said the terms TP, FN, FP and TN, right? So you need to know what exactly they are. For example, whenever I say true positive, it is nothing but in reality or in the confirmation test, the test is positive and our screening test also identified it as positive. So we call it as true positive. Whereas false negative is in reality or through confirmatory test, it is positive, but our screening test identified it as negative. So we call it as false negative. And similarly, false positive. In reality or through confirmatory test, it is negative, but our screening test identified it as positive. So we call it as false positive. Similarly, true negative, where in reality it is negative, and also our test identified it as negative. So after identifying all the four terms, you can directly calculate the given questions using the formulas, okay? But in this case, the formulas are in terms of TP, FN, FP and TN. My personal suggestion is to convert this table also in terms of ABCD so that you don't need to remember extra formulas. But there is a small change in converting this table in terms of ABCD compared to that of first method. So in first method, in the first table, the coding is like horizontal, right? A, B, C and D. But in this case, where if you didn't change the table and if you kept it as it is as given in the question, then you need to give coding as A, under A it is B, C and under C it is D. So the coding has changed but the formula remains the same. So for sensitivity it is A by A plus C, for specificity it is D by B plus D, for PPV it's A by A plus B, NPV it's D by C plus D. So in either way, by using this formula or through using the formula in terms of TP, FN, FP and TN, you will get the same answer. So the advantage of this method is you don't end up wasting time in converting the table. But if you are a beginner to this type of questions, I always suggest you to follow the first method. So I have given a small practice question for you. You can just post the answers in the comment section where you need to construct a 2 into 2 table and find the values of ABCD, calculate sensitivity, specificity, positive and negative predictive values. I hope it is helpful. Thank you.